Hello IG Garage family, ever had your fuel gauge act up, showing a full tank when you know it's almost empty? This might be due to the P0463 error code, fuel level sensor circuit high input. Today I'll break down what this code means, show you where the fuel level sensor is located, and guide you through potential fixes. Stick around till the end for 2 more video recommendations to keep your car running smoothly. Alright, so what does P0463 mean? The P0463 code is triggered when the fuel level sensor sends a voltage signal to the engine control module, or ECM, that's higher than expected. This sensor is crucial for monitoring the amount of fuel in your tank. When it malfunctions, your fuel gauge may give you false readings. Let's talk about common symptoms of P0463. First, you'll notice inaccurate fuel gauge readings. Second, your check engine light might be on. Third, you might find it hard to calculate your fuel efficiency. And finally, you could run out of fuel unexpectedly due to incorrect readings. Now, where is this sneaky sensor located? The fuel level sensor is typically inside your fuel tank, attached to the fuel pump assembly. Depending on your vehicle, you might access it through an access panel under the rear seat or in the boot. If your car doesn't have an access panel, you'll need to lower the fuel tank to reach the sensor. So, what causes P0463? It could be a malfunctioning fuel level sensor, wiring issues like damaged or corroded connections, contamination inside the fuel tank affecting the sensor's operation, or a rare fault in the ECM or its software. How do you fix the P0463 code? First, inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for loose or damaged wires leading to the sensor and repair or replace them if necessary. Second, test the sensor. Use a multimeter to check the resistance of the fuel level sensor. If it's out of spec, it might need cleaning or replacement. Third, inspect the fuel pump module. Since the sensor is part of this module, verify it's functioning correctly. Fourth, clean the sensor. Dirt or fuel tank contamination can interfere with its operation. Cleaning it may resolve the issue. Lastly, clear the code and test. After repairs, use an OBD-II scanner to clear the code and verify the fix with a test drive. And that's your complete guide to troubleshooting the P0463 code. Addressing this issue promptly ensures you always know how much fuel you have and prevents unexpected breakdowns. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe to IG Garage for more diagnostic tips. Before you go, check out these 2 must-watch videos. P0462, Fuel Level Sensor Circuit Low Input. P0202, Injector Circuit Open, Cylinder 2. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time on IG Garage.